Hey YouTube, today I'm going to do an experiment. I'm going to see if you can take diesel smoke, specifically from an 800 horsepower 6-liter Powerstroke, and take the diesel smoke out of the exhaust, duct it from the exhaust into the intake of a V8 gas truck and a 4-cylinder car. And the experiment is to see if I can make a gas vehicle roll coal. I have this 8-foot section of aluminum dryer vent hose I'm going to attach to the 5-inch straight pipe of the 800 horsepower Powerstroke, and I'm going to attach the other end of the vent hose to the hot air intake of the 320 horsepower turbocharged Chevy Cavalier. And that's how I'm going to get the coal from my truck into the intake of that car. And we'll see what happens. Alright, so obviously it's not going to work. But I'm going to just roll the coal in the engine bay so that way the car gets a mixture of oxygen and the coal. So hopefully this way works. Alright, so the burnt diesel exhaust gases is obviously starving the car for oxygen. So my plan is to give her wide open throttle and then we'll see what happens. Alright, so it did exactly what I thought it would do. My theory is there wasn't enough air moving from that little 4-cylinder to be able to pump the coal through the motor. So we're going to see how a 4.6 liter V8 Triton can handle it. So I got the air duct all ducked in right now. I'm going to use the air filter as a paperweight. So hopefully when I unleash all 800 ponies out of this puppy, the hose doesn't go blowing around all over the place. much as I thought it would, but it did, it worked. So Now you know that valuable lesson that you just needed to know, that you can, in fact, make a gas vehicle roll coal using the exhaust of a diesel.